Students, as we are starting our copy work, let's start with our chapter 1 integers. Before it, I would like to revise some important facts which already you studied in previous videos. First, we start with introduction of integers. Whole numbers along with negative natural numbers form integers. As we know, counting numbers are endless. So we take from minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity as all integers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity are called positive integers. Numbers from minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 are called negative integers. The integer 0 is neither positive nor negative. As we want to show or locate integers on number line, first we draw a line and we denote points which are lying on the number line at equal distance. Students, remember here on the number line the points should be at equal distance only, because equidistant is very important part of the number line. Here on number line 0 we take at center, and all positive integers we write towards right side of 0 on the number line, and negative integers we write towards left side of the 0 on the number line. On a number line, the value of integers increases as we move right to the number line and decreases as we move left to the number line. From number line, we observe the following facts. First, all negative numbers are less than 0 and 0 is less than all positive numbers. All negative numbers are less than positive numbers. Third is 1 is the smallest positive integer and minus 1 is greatest negative integer. Fourth is there is no greatest or smallest integer, as we know counting is endless. Fifth point is the number which lies left on the number line is smaller than the number lies right on the number line. For example, we can see minus 4 is smaller than minus 3, as minus 4 lies left to minus 3 on the number line. Now we study about absolute value of integers. The distance of any integer from 0 is called its absolute value. Like example, 3 and minus 3 both have same absolute value equal to 3, as they are equidistant from 0. So we can say absolute value of an integer a is denoted as a in between two vertical lines. Like example, the absolute value of 30 is 30 and the absolute value of minus 30 is also 30. So we conclude that absolute value of an integer is its numerical value irrespective of its sign.